On Wednesday, October 3rd, 2012, in Long Beach, California, the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department Aero Bureau held a press conference to unveil the new Super Puma helicopters. The County of Los Angeles recently approved the acquisition of 3 previously owned Eurocopters, the AS-332L-1 Super Puma helicopters by the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department Aero Bureau. These ships will replace the aging former United States Navy Sikorsky SH-3H Sea Kings currently operated by Aero Bureau.
Air 5 represents the department's multi-mission capability to respond to technical rescues throughout the county, SWAT insertions, extractions, homeland security missions, marine interdiction, personnel transports, logistical support during major catastrophes such as earthquakes, fires, and flood.
I've seen some of these rescues where girls clinging through cracks in rocks.
The arrival of the Super Puma again establishes the department as a leader in law enforcement, aviation, and helicopter operations. The Super Pumas will provide power and capability increase over the outgoing H-3s, which will be especially valuable in the high-altitude mountains around Los Angeles County, and will increase overall safety and capabilities of air rescue fires. The Super Pumas will be equipped with an advanced avionic cockpit. These enhancements include global position system, wide area augmentation system, navigation capability, instrument flight rule capability, and weather radar. The Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department Super Pumas and flight crew will be capable of flight in nearly all weather conditions, enabling a trauma patient on board to reach a hospital emergency room when all other less capable equipped helicopters will be stuck on the ground.